ya gũkũ festly nĩ twaigĩte nyahunyu. Yeah, reason being Morris, Kamweji, Wafula, but not for Wafula so much. Kamweji and Gamini. Morris. Those are the people who were becoming chaotic in this church. Na ngiuga nyahunyu igwo gũkũ festly. Na thaa ici ndatonya tondũ he mũndũ ngwendaga gwĩkĩra ngwacĩ gwĩkĩra. Ũrũĩtwo Gamini. Because he knows his faults. He knows it. Ndaingĩra gũkũ ndamĩaga. And my instincts as a GSU, I can tell very clearly, niwe Gamini. Even before instilling fear in you, I can tell it. Your eyes, your eye movement. I can read your eye movement, how you are doing it. You are the one. Ndigũkũria tondũ wona ngundi ndũngĩkĩre maĩ. Nĩ ndirabatara kũnyitirwo ngũringe. Yeah, it is not a must. I can do it by myself. So we will choose some few people here and there to be the disciplinary committee of this church. Number 1, chairman himself. Number 2, Kimemia, Nodwina Danene. You can push them like that towards the wall. And now the chairman punch. Yeah, the chairman international punch. Poof. Watu ikire bare no ti ya mwiri na thakame. No riu nie ndikuhuthira thakame haha. I will use a punch. Siao. Yeah, a fist. Fist. Tukaria. We have a fist, I fist you. An eye for an eye. We will tell you the truth. Tulikuhuragira thimu guo Gamini maita meri. Gamini ukinyite ha. No acerwo ni kanitha. Rugama hau nja chairman ni aroka gugucugurikira. Ugaga kuhuhurira nduthi. Na gakwira umecokio mitindikite. We will do the right thing in the right place. Choir.